In the nurturing environment of daycare centers, ensuring the health and well-being of active children is a top priority. The SmartBreeze Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is an innovative solution designed specifically for these settings, where the air quality can significantly impact the children's development and energy levels. This smart device goes beyond basic monitoring, offering features that contribute to a healthier and more stimulating learning environment. The SmartBreeze monitor focuses on carbon dioxide, CO2 levels, which are particularly important in daycare centers. High CO2 levels can lead to drowsiness and reduced cognitive function in children, affecting their learning and play. By continuously monitoring these levels, the SmartBreeze ensures that the air is fresh and conducive to active learning and play. Customized learning plans are another benefit of the SmartBreeze system. The data collected on air quality can help educators adjust their activities to ensure that children are always learning in the best conditions. Whether it's scheduling outdoor time when indoor air quality is less than ideal or optimizing classroom ventilation, the SmartBreeze empowers educators to make informed decisions that benefit the children's health and education. Parental notifications are a key feature that provides peace of mind. Parents can receive real-time updates on the air quality in their child's daycare center. This transparency fosters trust and allows parents to be more involved in their child's environment, knowing that their little ones are breathing clean, healthy air. The SmartBreeze Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is more than just a tool. It's a commitment to creating the best possible environment for children's growth and learning. By prioritizing air quality, daycare centers can ensure that every child has the opportunity to thrive in a safe and healthy setting. For daycare centers looking to enhance their commitment to child health and education, the SmartBreeze monitor is an essential investment. To learn more about how this technology can benefit your daycare center, please feel free to reach out to me. You can find my contact information on my page, and I'll be sure to respond to your inquiry within 24 hours. Let's breathe new life into your daycare center with SmartBreeze.